She is freaking caked, boys. And I'm not one to really thrash around off-road, but I'm having to maintain speed. Oh my goodness, it is just slinging it freaking everywhere. Oh, we got a UTV coming on. He's probably like, what in the hell? Pull over for him. Like this section right here. Bop, bop, boy. Oh, we're just sliding sideways, god dang. Do a little handheld POV here. Oh, these are the big dips that I smacked earlier. Okay, a little slower this time. Holy cow. Oh, god dang. I'm so out of breath from running around putting this camera down. In case you're wondering why I'm breathing like that. But my goodness, like this, just an absolute puddle. Holy cow. Holy cow. All right, I'm just gonna, this is where we stopped the first time, and then that area right there is where I thought we were gonna get stuck, but it's proven it actually did pretty good. Transmission 183, cooler than it was on the freaking highway. That's great to see. Love that. I'm surprised it's that cool, actually. Just mud raining down on my freaking windshield. Oh my goodness. Here's the pit. Just trenched. Freaking absolutely trenched. This is fun. I wish it wasn't as muddy, just so I had a little more confidence in going further. But definitely gonna come back out here when it's not, what is it, February? Probably April or something. Oh my goodness. Yeah, truck's doing just fine. 185 on the transmission, engine coolant, totally good. 4x4 working like a charm. Smacking giant ruts, and now we're back onto the smooth stuff. Holy cow, this thing's dirty. Woo! This is freaking awesome, man. Highway, look at my freaking windows. Good God. This is nice. All right, welcome back to your home. Yeah, if this trail was dry, holy cow, this would be freaking awesome. Just out of curiosity, I want to see what's over here on the other side of the highway. Looks like there was another little parking area, some dirt road. Alrighty, y'all. So here is the aftermath. Oh my goodness, she looks good in dirt. So absolutely slayed it. Came out here to do a little bit of trail driving, got it done, made it to Utah. I'm freaking starving, so we're gonna get back on the highway. I have a long drive back, but absolutely crushed it. So a little update going on here. Transmission has been, is even gonna, there we go. It's got up to like 192 and it's just kind of sat there. Not ideal, I mean it's not overheating or anything, but it's a little bit warm. So once again, I have something in the mail that's gonna take care of that. Out the windows, goodness gracious, there's just mud. This thing is freaking absolutely caked, but we're just cruising on the highway now on the way back. We are probably about an hour away. I'm getting pretty freaking bored of just driving on the highway, but yeah, cruise control set to 80, not much traffic, just kind of going. I'm gonna send her on over to the car wash probably and get some of this crap off. But as it stands, 192 on the transmission, use a little more than a half tank of gas, and we'll have a full wrap up here once we get back home. All right, Dad, so we're almost home now. Obviously it didn't take this long. I went and did some other things, but we're on the last part of the journey here, and the consensus is we went 277 miles and averaged 15.1 miles per gallon with mostly highway driving. So what was it, 17.5 when we started? I guess I had my cruise control set pretty high the entire time. It was, I think, around 80 to 85. So 85 mile an hour, it's not good for the fuel economy. And just for reference, we used 3/4 tanks over 277 miles. We filled up this morning at $2.99 a gallon, and already up further up the valley here, they have changed their gas prices from around $3.90-ish to $4.13. So that $2.99 a gallon, I'm gonna head down there tomorrow. Hopefully it still exists. Fill her back up to avoid the $4.13 in this area. There is a station up here, so I'll get the price on that one, but I'm pretty sure when I passed it this morning, it was like still $4 plus. So consensus on the truck, I need to get a new exhaust system, I think. Either a muffler or we'll do a catback. Let me know what y'all think, but on the highway at consistent speeds, it is just freaking deafening, holy cow. And that Rabbit Valley area is freaking sweet. We're definitely gonna get the dirt bike down there once the weather turns, get the truck back down there, and obviously we're gonna get down to Moab. I keep saying obviously, I need to stop saying that, holy cow. We are gonna get down to Moab this summer, do some camping, it's gonna be sweet, but as for now, that is an accurate representation of the windows, but mud freaking everywhere as I drive over the lake. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Thanks for the feedback, comments, questions, and if y'all have any ideas or want to see something, let me know. We'll catch you in the next one. See y'all.